Arlen, do you want a snack? Tell Mama what you want for snack. You want an Oreo? You want a cookie? Where are the cookies? Can you show Mama where are the cookies? You want a cookie? Arlen knows where the Oreos are. She just woke up from a nap. What is this? Say thank you.